When you do hand embroidery, is it better to hold your hoop in a stand or just hold it in your hand? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, bojagi, and embroidery. So whether you should just hold your embroidery hoop in your hand as you're stitching or whether you should use a stand when you're stitching is a little bit of a personal choice. But I'm going to tell you what I think is the most important consideration of whether you use your hoop in your hand or whether you do use a stand. And of course, there are a lot of other considerations like how much embroidery you do, if you have shoulder and back pain, if you can afford a stand. There are other considerations, but in my opinion, the number one consideration is the way that you stitch. And this will be partially determined by what kind of embroidery you're doing, but the way you stitch, I think, is the most important consideration. If you stitch with what I would call the stab method, where you put your needle in, you pull it through to the bottom, you put it up, pull it up to the top. In that situation, a stand is really helpful because you can use both hands to stitch more quickly. If you're holding it in your hand, you put the needle in, pull it through, and then you're just going with one hand back and forth. But a stand will allow you to use both hands for stitching. However, if you embroider with what I call the sewing method, where you put your needle down and up and pull it through, in that situation, holding the hoop in your hand can be beneficial because in this way, as you're sewing, you can rotate your hoop so that you're always holding your arm and your wrist at a comfortable angle. If you're trying to stitch that way on a hoop, you are going to have to kind of turn, maybe try and use your less dominant hand, and you can get some interesting kind of angles and situations. And it's going to be healthier and more comfortable if you can always have a good angle for your arm. So in that situation, it's probably better to hold your hoop in your hand. And you might be using that kind of technique if you're stitching running stitch, back stitch, stem stitch. There's a lot of stitches that you might use that technique. So really, whether you hold your hoop in your hand or whether you use a stand to hold it, it is kind of a personal choice. I do have a long, full video with a lot of details about what kind of embroidery stands are available and other things that you can think about, but I think that's the number one consideration that you need to have when you're doing hand stitching. So if you're looking for more embroidery tutorials about stitches, projects, or just embroidery inspiration, you can find all that at my website, epidastudio.com.